Nyankopɔn hyira na Adom ne mpagya ne kɛseɛ na humɔborɔ na dɔyɛ na yemye entom so enanopɛn oguso ehwɛ Badwam wo Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 119 Multi TV Facebook YouTube baby dem live hodom anopɛ so ho ye eno ye hye komodia bi ase edefa amanfo ekoka mnem ewo Brem North Galamsey pit emu ene ye to aso but before that next week arefo mo hwade we anim ya kire kokan bi wo Kotoka International Airport DHL for ho bom DHL for ho bom ya passe akuaba e free Ghana akọ yedu airport the fast can mu ase kokan se twom na se kese nkoma national security AFSEC next scan animal kwadua account next week ye be do nkomo that is just by the way ana pasem ye tiawa mencha oso ye ka boso dada enu asma ne ye ka ene gusu gina so president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo mechia na no pay akra so mpomu ye de yame asema honkwa nimde asue hunu ne adom ye ode adom a wode koso edi Ghana anim mampani Ghana for do Ghana for pe wasem it is something na se ye ka wasem we expect say president Akufo-Addo betimi a yenti ne ye ka wasem no ye nchiri ye ntawo ye dodo fra kuma pam ne to ababum edema wo sakuma pa no odo na be koso dia kane ma ekoso a entwa ye o ye man nchia kese nkoma ayire Her Excellency Rebecca Akufo-Addo ma me mpom ye de nyame ase eno me bo otumfo asantema nyina wura ote kokoso the video you odi and somebody to dwa wa bra Minister for Lands and Natural Resources economy power Green Ghana Jumadi no entoma asomody 242 dwa aba semu anu o ka de kire ye se na namayemfu bi e wa sentiment matrase aye hwan ma Galamsey koso no no tu fara ka se betesi wa kwa prabo sa me yawo amanse ne potamu memu asobo wi ana ntie mamfa nko de ntie semu a otufo osetu ababio ede tu dwa bese nansa entemnie ye ntie sen bi emra
has taken over the land, and I say to them that if you sit there and you claim that you don't know what is happening, then you are not fit to be a chief over there.
Sure.
So these are matters that we are going to take it up again. That despite the several measures government has been putting in place to curb this menace, illegal logging and illegal mining continue to pose a threat to our forests.
Sure.
It means that government cannot do it alone. We must all get involved and support government to come to grips with these matters.
Sure.
My chiefs know that I've been speaking about this, and I'm not happy with chiefs in Amansia area where Galamsey has taken over the land, and I say to them that if you sit there and you claim that you don't know what is happening, then you are not fit to be a chief over there.
Sure.
So these are matters that we are going to take it up again. And I don't care whose goals it is, because we have to enforce it. And I have to start with my chiefs first, and then government has to deal with the other ones.
So
all have to take matters seriously to be able to bring this to a closure, because I cannot accept that. I'm going to take a drive around those areas, in the Amansia to Mansum Kwanta area and all those things to see. I've gotten reports about what is happening, and I'm going to do that.
Sure.
And if
so Asem no o se amanse ne potamu na namayemfo aye hwan ama Galamsey adwo mo sase akenten so no onuamu eba ho. And this brings us to our discussion for today. Mr. President, enano akohia MMDCs e okumase no owie na ohia ahemfo na aka nsem ya manage wo se ekon no enye aban ko anko sana namayemfo anfo ho anyimu a okon no ebeye den And then another info to an amount to make sure say I am for kuma be I am shine. I could take up some pointino. What my gram say ecosono or cotuosa. Mr. President, what are you also doing to your appointees who are involved? Who in one way or the other have become even financiers of Galamsey operations for Makasa district? Mr. President, what are you also doing? And I'm be the no brave not. MC ni say onimpo kura say ye Galamsey oh baby amanabugu mu no. And up to now that's what you want. Oh, that's the MC. Because when you say under Akufo-Addo there, you do anything anyhow and you go scot-free. Because President Akufo-Addo akunyana chawomo. Anything MC betimi e general so aka say Galamsey akwaso importable. Galamsey akwaso the area for 8 months to 1 year. MC it was a brave not or onim ho hwe. Onim pokra say Galamsey ho. Or that's the MC. Hey, President. Can start in you. President Akufo-Addo, Adom. DNS. Omo to be a gusuana. No, because so what trust the dream one. Okay, Kesia, and you, Mr. President. Me say, Mema Kwasisia. I got to know you even before you became president. It is a jealous and may express disappointment. It is because of me who here. Thanks to Eugene Aye, Herbert Krapamo, I got to know you way back 2012. I mean, the action I could for the democratic check, the Jubadi on him, then as opposition leader. Tell them I put my man penny affair all of a sudden. And now, Kunyano, Beshibi was Soma, Emma would me act. Because blame not MC, Miss Magic cannot become a semi came him. Meaning you to answer to one. He's incompetent. The man is incompetent. And chef for not get resign or resigning. Where's a minute now? I can say war resign. Blame not MC. Or say war resign. We can only assume Pelico because who dare to manaso. What the assembly sika? Out of fool. Afaka, every blame not. I could share my penny kumase. Man penia can know so much I would say. MC Abetina say Hama Galamsey akoso potemu me no bedili MC sin kwa say say me ya Galamsey akoso o mesi anokwan what says ka we nyina kwa say sakura sama pediem udidi aduane papa ye de mam na mudi ye wanu nsuo anonom de sada so osade assemblies ka sa tofu osade afaka free Kumasi ababrem not umu mampani umuno etu betina say enhwan ama papa pani wisa begiro dim enu aka say deal with Galamsey na to 8 months to 1 year Galamsey ko so pata so minim ho hwe woni hwe ye dey ko so ye competent wo dey adwuma ne so blame not MC adwuma no da so in fact what da so and me kwate an obi afre MC no enyo no penifo me na hye kire so kire krofo kra ni aka kire say onyo mention those names. Elzona catch your boys, Nissa. A bumpen fu a APP on tell Galamsey for a job. Mention their names. Mention their names. If say no cry. Mention their names. Modia bro, Pesabim Kuminya. If you know be MC ya, the next elections, or some compare MP. Scassa no Union Assembly one. Oh, assembly at one YGF Akasacrano, which be crown cross best 40%. When you ska compare MP. Because mu ye Galamsey. Because President Akufo-Addo be ye di won carry. All of them what you so mechiawo. MDCs ya mapendi o ma show nsa no e na bo ma na bro. All of them botwe. Onso ye da ho. All of them na kwaku botwe wo ye dai. Minister for Local Government, Rural Development and Decentralization, wo ye day. MMDCs na nomdo wo wura Galamsey mu, e no makasa mu, e tank of fetch ne ye Galamsey, wo ye day. Onabda na kwaku botwe. Kayen trasema MC for brave not and the country say Galamsey ko so le potemu no, wonim say Galamsey ko so odom. Onam say mu acti here. And I'm Kabesa Kabim. Sir President Akufo-Addo ampam brem not MC. That means Sir President talks about Galamsey the die. Oh how? Oh sekasa. Die for so be so. Why, Mr. President? So what mean 2 amon a year and I'm makunya sia press et wa be Galamsey bia no president. So what mean to sana mo ya die Galamsey ntokwa no. Die for so be so. The case can e every no. Near first can more my own bra. Cause I can't yebo. Yet me Piesika over $100 million. I could go to fight against Galamsey. Not the very people also here. A fight, you know. They're behind. They tend to be behind the same act. Me see Brem not MC. President Adom Akufo-Addo. Say one pamno or Ranka said Asem. Or you're incompetent. He don't deserve to be an MC. And no 2 4 can was saying. Who you are hearing? That's a Galamsey because you are part of you don't deserve to call yourself a chief. Mampalushia him for no like us as what you more. And I'm just from the act no 2 4 say. So be your hearing that Galamsey because on importanu. No so on ya. He don't deserve to be a chief. So now political head. If so be a MC. That's a Galamsey question in Potamu. No, so on Yawa, Mampani, by Otumfuo's words and inference, he don't deserve to be an MC. Why is Brem not MC still at post? Why is he at post? If indeed we want to fight Galamsey. Why is Brem not MC still at post? If you guys are not behind him. What say Ganesika on Galamsey fight? President Akufo-Addo, when you apart from most Ganesika on Galamsey fight, because you don't walk the talk. As someone can be different, what you do becomes different. Mushia him for the ayamu masenyem. Political point is the abadia yensusunka. We are complicit. Man for some to blame not. Sebi enyado sebi ebru sebi enyado. Se munu keka. Assassin ya idea. Ya ni ese no. Enyam no my bibi. Ye pow incompetent person no say MC ya. No be kan no. Se blame no for nya competent MC. E ko timi keka ne. Kamu timi ka na bo na say ya da assassin ye dia. Ye be say ya assassin. Because President Akufo-Addo, unfortunately for you guys, are incompetent, clueless. Man as MC. And the amam. He didn't have questions here. He didn't pay mu. It was like I said Monday. Me no be dim kumobi. From Monday kwa. See actually cocaine. Oh kutuka. Yem change na bia. You never your four. He didn't pay mu. It was.